180-degree swing outdoors lane keep collision avoidance trailer hitch assist rear camera 3.73 non-limited slip 9070 GVWR package extended fuel tank 31-gallon cruise storage racks all new tires. This 2021-2500 Transit cargo van is an excellent cargo hauler. Its large bottom doors, huge sliding door, and low floor made it easy to load a storage unit full of stuff. We especially appreciated the bright cargo area LEDs. The refreshed model is filled with useful features including giant cup holders, grippy rubber flooring, ice-cold air conditioning, and an easy-to-use infotainment system with clear Bluetooth sound quality. Cargo tie-downs and storage bins in the rear and all new tires make it ready to go to work today. The new 3.5-liter base engine is plenty powerful with help from a 10-speed automatic transmission. Sure not to last at this new internet special price, so call today.